Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Nextdoor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to proceed with logging in. So use your phone number or your email address and your account password in order to log into your account. And once you have been logged in, you will be shown the various different posts that have been made within your neighborhood. Now, if you wish to change your email address, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings at the bottom left. Now, from the Settings page, tap on Account Settings and then scroll down until you find the email address section. Go ahead and tap on the email address box, and now you can enter your desired new email address. Go ahead and type in your new email address that you want to set to, and once you type in your desired email address, scroll down and tap on the Save button. You will now be asked to enter your current password in order to verify your change. So type in your account password within the password box and then tap on the Continue button. Once you tap on Continue, you will be asked to check your inbox for the new email address and then click on the link within. So check your inbox and tap on the link within the email that you received from Nextdoor, and once you tap on this verification link, your email address will successfully be changed. And now you can use your new email address along with your original password to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Nextdoor app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.